Hello viewers, this is your boy Hugo Stone and I'm right here with another video. And in today's video I'm going to take you to the road project that is going on in East Legon Hills, right, from gate to the cancer hospital, right. And I'm here to give you an update or to show you what is actually happening here. You know, some of the houses were on the roadside and some of the fence wall was on the roadside, so they have begun breaking down all the fence walls which were on the roadside. So I'm here to show you guys everything that you need to know or you need to see in this environment. So or any house or any container or house that is close to the road will be broken down. You know, I think they have given them a permit, or they have given them a warning before they did this. So the road, I think this is also one of the reasons why the road has been delayed. And I think now they have broke down most of the building. As you can see, this one, his fence wall was on the road, so when they were demarcating the road, they have to break down the fence wall. So you can see he's now reconstructing the fence wall, and many of the houses here are the same, you know. So they have broke a lot of houses down, they have broke a lot of fence walls down, and containers and other things too as well, you know. So I'm going to take you from here to show you everything you need to know or you need to see. I'm going to take you all the way to where the Lighthouse Chapel is. So the Lighthouse Chapel to I think the road is somewhere in their fence wall, so they have broke down all the fence wall, and that's where the gutters are going to pass. So I want you to stick to the end of the video and you are going to enjoy it, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. Thank you so much, and please, if you haven't subscribed, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is where you get information from Ghana, from East Legon Hills and other places, right? So thank you so much. Enjoy the video to the end.